Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Monday, May the 13th, 2024. And I've already solved one regular puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left: the binary and the 4 stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. And what's the news of today? Well, told you today it's 219 days ago another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in Israel against Hamas, and it's still going on. Yeah. Enough about the war. Let me continue. This one will be number 8523. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has also 26 printed digits, same as the previous Sudoku. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle, 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit for a 4 stars puzzle. Question is this a 4 stars puzzle or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. How about need a 6 here. Need an 8. Yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, no, need 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this one, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Alright. 3 here. 4 missing numbers in the first row. 2 of those missing numbers are 3 and 8. We have 3 and 8 in this big square, so no 3 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in the second column, so no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and the 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in the first column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay, need a 2 in this. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 could be here, or there. Well, we see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in the middle row, no 2 there. So the only place left the 2 should be there. Then 4, 5, 9. Well. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1, 4, and we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, only place left on the 9 should be there. Need a 1, and I need a 3, and I need a 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. All right. 4, 4. Need a 1, and I need a 1. Need a 3. Well, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, only place left 2 should be there. All right. 6, 6. What is 7? Come on, 9, 9, 9. on. 2. Need a 6 here. Need a, yeah. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places level 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the row below, no 8 there. Only place level 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need a 8 there. Okay. How about 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 1 and a 2. Need a 4 there. Come on. Need a 4 here. Need a 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, and look, with 3 and a 6 in this column. No 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle row for the number 4. Alright, 4, 4. Need a 3, need a 5, 5, 5, need a 5. 3, 5, and the 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 9 in the middle column. No 9 in these two boxes. So 1 box left on a 9 in this big square. Should be there. So the 3 and the 5 are left. Okay. Need a 9 here. Well, in this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. We need a 9 in this row. These two boxes can be a 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, so need a 5 there. Yeah. Need a 3 here. Need a come on. Need a 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, and a 7. 4, 5, 3, and a 7. Yeah. Come on. 8, 8. Need a 1 here. Complicated. 7. Need a 5. 1, 4. 1, 4. 1, 4, and 3. Yeah. Let me put some numbers. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places level 4 could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places level 8 could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places level 1 could be here, could be there. 5 and 9 are missing here. 5 and 9. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places level 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 could be here, could be there. 7. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places level 6 should be here, or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places level 6 could be here, could be there. Two numbers left in the middle column. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Mark those two boxes, elevated 7. We have a 7 now in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. I think the 1 should be here because in the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. 3, 5, and 4. 3, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and 4 is missing. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright, 3, 4, and I need a 5 here. Well, in this row, we need a 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in the first column, no 5. So the only place left of the 5 should be there. And, so the 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4, let me mark those. 3, 4, and a 1. 1 and the 4 are left here. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 7, 7, 7. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So last row, the only two places left of 5 could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 9 could be here, could be there. Here, 5 and then 9. Still having troubles. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. We have all the 6s, okay. The 8 need a 9 here. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left, 9 could be here, could be there. Here we have a 9. 1, 9, 3, 5. 9, 5, 3, 1. Well. Need a 5 here. 9 and 5. Come on, 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7. 6 and 7. 3, 2, 2, 2 and 5. We have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so third row, the only two places left of 5. Could be here, could be there. Here we have a 5, there we have a 5. That means in this column, the only place left of the 5 should be there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 9. 6 and a 9, we have a 9 now in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 and a 4, okay. And now 6 and a 7, we have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. Together with the 5, we have a pair 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are left. 3 and the 4, cannot fill this yet. 3, 4, 9, 3, 3, 3, 3, okay. Then, 1 and a 4, okay. 1, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. 7, 7, 7, 9, 9, Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above the only place level 9 should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 in the last column, so no 9 there, 9 should be there. So the 3 and the 4 are left. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 3 and the 4, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes, and there. 3 or 4, we have a 3 now in this row, so this box should be a 4. So two numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there, so two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. And two numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku, but we solve it again. We solve it again. Again, it's a 2 stars puzzle, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.